Alright guys, welcome back to an episode of Joe's Garage. This video has been requested for by several people, in person, out of person, from car shows who've seen my stuff. It's about making some additional storage or compartmentalization for your C8 Corvette. As you know, you've got a frunk and you've got a trunk. Sometimes the trunk can get really hot. Sometimes the frunk, you just don't want to take space and have things banging around in there. So I figured out a way to make a behind the seat pouch system so that you could store more things that you have without them banging around on the center console. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it, what I did, and what I keep in mind.
This is Joe's Garage. This is Joe's Garage. Making it mine. Living the dream. Making it mine. Joe's Garage. Making it shine.
All right, so let's talk about it. We've got this, basically a pouch setup. It's got MOLLE webbing on it. It is basically a backpack without the straps. It has a strap that you could put around the back of a headrest if you had a car, if this was going on the back seat. It's got Velcro here if you want to put patches on. I have an American flag because, you know, I'm American. And I can put things in here like I have a fire extinguisher as one thing. But the way I clipped it on were with these two plastic ties or twist-ons that literally twist like this and they pull off, and I'll show you what they look like, and then they literally just slip under that panel and twist them on, and that's locked in place. It doesn't rattle, it doesn't move, it stays in place real easy. Let me show you. All right guys, so here's what I got. We're a pack of these, and just so you can see what this is basically a tarp or a tent or some other type of clip where when you twist this down, these teeth come together and it makes a pretty firm grip. This is what I have attached to that inside panel there. And this loop here, or I should say you can use the loop if you want to zip tie it to that. I just have it sitting right through here, the little strap that comes with it sitting right there. I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to take it off the car and show you how I have this arranged. All right, I don't know if you could see, but the indentation from where it left a mark on the carpet, which you can rub off, that is not permanent, is where I had those clipped on. All right, so here's the pouch. And I made Velcro. This is just a tie strap. It's a quick disconnect here, basically to put on the back of your, like the seat in front of you. Clips together, comes together. Inside this, I've got several things in here that I find to be very important that I don't necessarily want bouncing around in the frunk of my car. Such things as med kits, water purification. I've got a first aid kit with everything from chest seals to combat gauze to tourniquets to things that if you know, you know. I'm ready for just about anything in here. I've got a tire inflator gauge to see the pressure, tire pressure. I've got duct tape, I've got gloves, I've got other pouches in here with combat gauze. I've got, God, I've got so much different crap in here. Oh, look, another tire gauge. Well, I guess I could take that out, take up less room and less weight. I've got glow sticks, I've got iodine, I've got, God, you name it. I've got a bunch of stuff in this car. I got ammunition, you name it. If you know, you know. If you're prepared, you're prepared. If you've got it, you've got it. And this allows me to keep this safely and nicely tucked behind the front seat. The seat is able to go back all the way. It's not an issue. And it just keeps stuff at the ready to grab. You can keep magazines in here if you know, you know, other stuff of that nature, and things will stay put. Now, I haven't found an exact spot that I like for my fire extinguisher. I'm hoping never to use it, but what I've done is I actually just keep it lying across in here. It stays pretty secured. I've made by fabric gluing or hot gluing, I don't remember how I did it. And so it actually attaches here, and that when it's on, it secures it enough that it keeps this from bouncing around in there. So that stays put, and that's how I do it. All right, so real easy. It takes only 2 of these tarp clips. I literally stick it in like this, clip this on underneath that liner, zip it down by screwing it in, Do the other side. Screw it in. I like to keep them fairly vertical. This is non-marring. It hasn't left a mark on there, and it's been there for a while. And once those are tight, those ain't going nowhere. That's secure. Good. And this strap I use to secure down my fire extinguisher. I keep that in there pretty snugly, and then this holding that down really keeps that in place. It ain't going anywhere, it ain't bouncing around, so that's snug as a rug. I can quickly grab it, yank it out. I don't even have to undo that Velcro. I can get it out, but it keeps it in place. This holds my tire pressure monitor, and we're good to go. Everything else in here is good. And interestingly enough, the seat still manages to go all the way back, and it's not a problem. Ta-da! How about them apples? All right, guys, if you found that helpful, these are the tarp or tie-down clips that I used. I'll put a link in the description. These are not expensive. You can buy probably 20 of these for like 10 bucks. I'll put a link. You can get these on Amazon. As far as that pack that goes behind there, I believe I got that either on Amazon or eBay. I'm not certain. I'll try to see if I can find a link, and I'll put it in the description below. But a really easy fix, easy access to things that you need without having to go to the front. You don't want things banging around, and just gives you a little bit of peace of mind to put things like tire repair, if you need to put a tire repair kit in there, which I wouldn't do in this car, but let's say you did, ammunition, trauma kits, tire inflation things, a fire extinguisher, tourniquets, things that you may need. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, this is a great way to stow them. And if you want to just put your 8-track tapes in there or cassettes, you know, you could do that too. If you grew up in the 80s, 70s, or even before that, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, you're just working off of MP3s and streaming Spotify, then you think I'm an archaic dinosaur, and that's okay too. Thanks for watching Joe's Garage. Like, share, subscribe. Enjoy the channel, enjoy the videos. I'll be making more content. Stick around. Put a link in the description. Not cheap, or I should say, these are not expensive. You can buy it probably. Oh, and before you freak out about things being on the car, I have PPF. It's safe, it's okay.
This is Joe's Garage.